Okay, ready? Here we go. Hi guys, welcome to the Farm to Table Kids greenhouse. Today we're going to talk to you about how to order seeds from a seed catalog. Couple things to keep in mind before you get started. Seeds are offered in a raw form and also a pelleted form. Caroline, can you please show us what the pelleted seeds look like? So these are both lettuce seeds. This is lettuce in its raw form, and this is a pelleted seed. I like to order pelleted seeds because all it is it offers a big coating around the seeds so you can handle it better. And when you're planting with little hands, it's so much better to have the pelleted seeds because it ends up saving you in the long run. Other important information to know, Joey, Farmer Joe.
Yeah.
What is important to know when you're ordering your seeds?
You need to know where your hardest zone is.
Yep.
And where your frost zone is.
Your first and last frost date. That's right, yes. So know your first and last frost date and your hardiness zone. To find that out, you can go to johnnyseeds.com. And then Autumn, she's going to select something that she wants to grow for the garden this year, and we're going to go over the catalog portion with her. So Autumn, what would you like to grow this season?
I'm going to do the Sensation Mix.
I love the Sensation Cosmo. That's an All-American Select winner. Anytime you see that it's an AAS winner, that means it's a proven seed that has been around for a long time and you can really rely on it. So when we're looking at the catalog, Sensation Mix says 75 to 90 days, and then it's got a symbol here. Autumn, what does that symbol mean?
You go down here and you go to that symbol, and that means an heirloom.
And then what else does it mean? The scissors.
The scissors means cut flower, and the little beet means attracts beneficial insects.
That's right. And then if we keep reading, it says award-winning favorite, single flowers 3 to 4 inches across, so it's letting us know what size the flowers are so we can be mindful of that when we plant it. Mm-hmm. And then it's telling us the height of the plant gets to be 48 to 54 inches on average.
That's really tall.
It's really tall and really big, and it's good to have that perspective so that you know where to plant it when it's time to put those flowers in the ground. So that gives you a little insight onto how to read a catalog, and I hope that gets you started. Please visit farmtotablekids.com, Coast of Maine, and johnnyseeds.com for more growing information. Happy gardening!